students, in the last class we have started with measures of fertility and already we have discussed about crude birth rate, and under general fertility rate we have solved one problem. Now we will continue the problems under general fertility rate. Now I am going to solve the second problem under general fertility rate. Calculate general fertility rate and crude birth rate. The informations given are age in years, secondly male population, third information is female population, and the last information given is live births. Age groups are 0 to 14, 15 to 19, 20 to 24, 25 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, lastly 50 and above. These are the age groups given. Next, male population is 20,730, 7,366, 7,300, 6,030, 9,980, 7,400 and 8,400. Next, female population is 19,840, 7,310, 7,120, 5,860, 9,120, 6,910 and lastly 7,900. Next, live birth. For the age group of 0 to 14, live births will always be 0. Next, it is 212, 657, 592, 326, 81. Only after the age group of 0 to 49, births will be given. But for the age group of 50 and above, there will not be any live births. So we are going to write it as 0. This is the question given. Now we are asked to calculate GFR and crude birth rate. Now we will apply the formula and solve this question. So in the solution, what you are going to do is, first you have to draw the same table whichever is given in the question. So in the solution, once again you have to draw the same table, and after that now we will apply the formula and see what we have to calculate. First, it is asked to calculate general fertility rate. So general fertility rate is equal to B divided by summation of female population of child-bearing age, that is child-bearing age is 15 to 49 into 1000. So first we need B. B is nothing but total of live births. So first we will calculate the total of live births. Total of live birth is 1868. Now we need female population of childbearing age. So childbearing age is from 15 to 49. So we need only the female population of that age group. that is from the age group 15 to 49. So up to 49 age group, we are going to calculate the total of female population. That is 7,310 plus 7,120 plus 5,860, 9,120 plus 6,910. The total comes to 36,320. We will write it here. Now easily we can apply to the formula. Two informations are needed. Two informations we have calculated. So B is 1,860. 1,868 divided by the female population of childbearing age is 36,320. That we will write it here. 36,320 into 1,000. So 1,868 divided by 36,320 into 1,000. The answer comes to 51.43. So general fertility rate is equal to 51.43. Now the next question asked is we have to calculate CBR, that is crude birth rate. Now we will apply the formula of crude birth rate. Crude birth rate formula is B divided by P into 1,000. B is nothing but total of live births that we have already calculated. P is population. See here, population includes both male population as well as female population. So we have to make the total of both male population column as well as female population column. First we will make the total of male population. Here age group does not matter. We are not going to consider the age groups. Only total of all the male population and total of all the female population we are going to do it. And then we are going to add both male and female population and write it in the population in place of P. So first we will make the total of male population 6, 11, 17, 20, 8, 10, 19, 22, 25, 32, 8, 10, 18, 27, 33, 30, 40, 47, 4 carry, 4 plus 2 is 6. 67,206. Now we will make the total of female population. 0, 1 plus 2, 3, 9, 11, 12, 16, 10, 20, 30, 40, 4 carry, 17, 26, 31, 38, 40, 54, 64,060. So male population and female population total we have calculated. Now we have to calculate P. P is equal to male population plus female population. That is 67,206 plus 64,060. The answer will be 1,31,266. Now we will apply to the formula. Live births is 1,868 divided by population is, that is both male and female population, it comes to 1,31,266 into 1,000. When you calculate it, the answer will be 14.23. So CBR is 14.23. Here itself you can find the difference. See, in crude birth rate, we are not going to consider age composition as well as general fertility rate for the following data. So, for the calculation of general fertility rate, the information given is age group in years, second information is female population, third information is live births. Now the age group given is 15 to 19, 20 to 24, 25 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49. And female population is 8,000, 8,240, 6,500, 10,115, 5,212. Live births is 315, 700, 648, 212 and 100. This information is given. This is a question, and as you know, we are asked to calculate general fertility rate. See the difference between the previous question and this question. In the previous question, they had asked to calculate CTR as well. That's why they had given male population also. But here, as we are asked to calculate general fertility rate, we does not require male population. Hence, in the question only age group, female population and live birth is given. This information is enough for calculating general fertility rate. Now, in the solution part, what we are going to do is, first of all, we are going to draw the same table once again in the solution part. So, we have to draw the same table in the solution. Now, after drawing the table, we will apply the formula. That is, general fertility rate is equal to births divided by summation of female population of childbearing age. That is 15 to 49 into 1000. So first we have to calculate B. B is nothing but total of live births. So make the total of live births 10, 7, that is 17, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 10, 16, 18, 19, 1977. Now we will make the total of female population, summation of female population that to childbearing age, that is 15 to 49. Already it is given, so simply we have to calculate the total of female population. 5 plus 2, 7, it is 6, 10, that is 38,067. So now we will substitute the values in the formula. Live births is 1977 divided by summation of female population of childbearing age is 38,067. 38,067 into 1000. So when calculated, the answer will be 51.9. So this is how we are going to calculate the general fertility rate. So now we will move on to the next measure of fertility. We have already done with two measures. One is crude birth rate and one more is general fertility rate. Now we will see the third measure of fertility. The third measure of fertility is age specific fertility rate. In call it as ASFR, age specific fertility rate. So age specific fertility rate is nothing but here we are going to measure the fertility for the specified age group of female population of childbearing age. Here also we are going to consider only female population of childbearing age, and we are going to calculate fertility for a specified age group separately. So this is called as age specific fertility rate. So age specific fertility rate is defined as average number of live births occurring to 1000 women of specified age group in a year. Now we will see what is the formula to calculate age specific fertility rate. Age specific fertility rate is equal to number of live births in a specified age group in a year number of live births in a specified age group in a year divided by total number of female population, females in that age group in a year into 1000. This is the formula to calculate age specific fertility rate. Number of live births in a specified age group in a year divided by total number of females in that age group in a year into 1000. So for example, we have seen in the previous problem it is given 15 to 19, 20 to 24, and then this is age group. Next female population will be given for example if it is 1000 and it is 2000. Next live births will be given. Live birth is 600 and 200. If this information is given, now here we are going to calculate age specific fertility rate for the specified age group separately. Age specific fertility rate, if you are going to calculate for the age group 15 to 19, then the formula will be number of live births in the age group in the age 15 to 19 divided by calculate age specific fertility rate, in the next calculation also you are going to use this formula. Next, this age specific fertility rate is easy to calculate and simple to understand, and it also includes both age and sex composition of the population. Now we will solve some of the problems under age specific fertility rate. Age specific fertility rate for the following data. And the information given is age group in years, next information is female population, next it is number of live births. So this is the three informations given in the question, and the age group given is 15 to 19, 20 to 24, 25 to 29, 30 to 34, 35 to 39, 40 to 44, 45 to 49. Next, female population, it is 58,000, 60,000, next 56,000, then 55,000, 50,000, next 44,000 and 40,000. This is the information relating to female population. Next, number of live births given is 1,392, 9,000, 11,928, 6,490, then 1,650, 572, and lastly 60. This is the information given, female population and number of live birth is given, and we are asked to calculate age specific fertility rate. Now we will start the solution. What you are going to do is, as you have done in other cases also, first you have to draw the same table as it is in the solution part. In the solution you need to require the same table. Now we will apply the formula of age specific fertility rate. So leave some space here because you need one more column in the calculation of age specific fertility rate. Now I will write the formula of age specific fertility rate. ASFR is equal to number of live births in a specified age group divided by total number of females in that age group into 1000. This is the formula. Now we will draw one more column in the solution part, that is ASFR, age specific fertility This is how we are going